I should hardly think Sergeant Major Morris had come tonight. That's the worst of living so far out. Your brains can't come for a quiet chat, and you alley your brains over a confounded
Now,
nothing.
Father, Morris will turn up all right. Stop acting like a child.
Lover's Lane, Fulham. Oh, all the beastly, slushy, out-of-the-way places to live. Pathways of bog, the roads of torrent. What's the county council thinking? That's what I'd like to know. I paid them off well. And this is the only house in the row. It doesn't matter if no one can get near it, I suppose.
Father. It is a pretty terrible place after all. Piece of shit, I call it. And even though I told you that, you still bought it.
Okay, smartass. Nice job I made of that, too, with 200 pounds still owing on it. And you did so much to help out around here.
I'll have that worked off in no time. A matter of 3 years with the rise supposedly promised me.
Oh, hark!
That's it. I know that knock anywhere. That's the sergeant major.
I wonder what bullshit he's got for us tonight.
Damn it.
Whip.
This door. Flip in quick, it's as much as I can do to hold it against the wind.
Off! Off! And a mile up the road past the cemetery, it's worse. Enough to blow the pubes off your balls.
How old you must be.
How are you, ma'am? And yourself, laddie? Not on duty yet, eh? Day week, eh?
No, sir, nightly. But I've got time to waste.
Thank you kindly, ma'am. Ah! That's a sight better than sitting in the trenches with the rain pouring down in buckets and the natives trying to jerk you off.
Oh, didn't you have no umbrellas?
Umbrellas and galoshes and hot water bottles. No, ma'am. It's easy to say you was never a soldier.
Mother spoke out of stupidity, sir.
And that I know, stupid whore. No, ma'am. Hardships! Hardships! That's the soldier's lot. Starvation, penetration, masturbation. Get yourself shot.
Well, you don't look to have taken much harm, except your fucking arm.
Bitch. Glad I got this for. No, ma'am. Tough. Thomas Morris is tough and sober. What's this now? Ah. Jameson. I said I'd never, but seeing how it's that type of night, here's to another 10 cents a year.
Same to you, and many of them.
Yeah, that's what the Army pays me. What? No crunk juice for you, laddie?
No, sir, it isn't for want of being sociable, but my mother's a raging alcoholic slut, and I wouldn't want to be the same. Alas, if I were tipsy, the machinery at my work might gobble me up.
Oh, well, one less mouth for me to feed.
Oh, you silly whore.
You electricians! Sort of magicians you are! Light says you, and light it is. And power says you, and the one train goes breaking down again. There beats me, and I've seen a lot of bull in my day.
Your drugged up hallucinations? All a fake, you old bag.
I tell you, boy, I've seen it.
Oh, come now, such as what?
I've seen your mother with less clothes on than a baby. For example, an empty mind. Empty baskets, as empty as this bottle's about to be.
Oh, come now, hand it over.
Which wasn't my intentions, but used for illustration.
Oh, well, first of all, who hasn't seen my mother naked? Second of all, I've seen that basket trick, and I even know how it was done. I could do it myself with a bit of practice.
You mean to say you doubt my word, boyo?
Oh, no. He was only taking you off.
Herbert always was one for a bit of fun.
As was Mother.
You see that, you pricks? I could go and tell you things, but you ain't getting no more yarns out of me.
Oh, nonsense, old friend. What was that you started telling me about a rash you had the other day? And then a monkey's paw?
What? Nothing. Leastways, nothing hereabouut.
What's it?
Come on now, you was telling me.
Nothing! Don't go on about it.
You said you always carried it on you. That and the medication. Let's see it.
So I do, for fear of an abnormal growth on my bung. Oh, you're talking about the paw, right? Well, it's, nothing... hold on, you wait for my request. Nothing to look at, just a ordinary paw, dried to a crisp. Here, bitch!
Give me a look. Oh, why, it's all wrinkled like my paw.
What might there be special about this paw?
You wouldn't believe me if I was to tell you.
I will. Every stupid word.
Magic, then. Don't you laugh!
Oh, I'm not. Can I see it again? So what might there be special about this paw?
That paw had a spell put upon it.
No shit.
By an old fakir. A holy man. He sat all doubled up in one spot, trying to see how many times he could masturbate in one day. He wanted to prove that fate controlled the people. That everything was cut and dried from the beginning, as you might say. There was no getting away with it. And if you tried, you caught it hot. So he put a spell on the paw. Might have been any old piece of shit, but it's the first thing that fell off his pet monkey. He made it so that 3 people could each have 3 wishes.
Shut the fuck up, I want to hear!
But, mark you, though the wishes was granted, those 3 would have caused a wish they hadn't been.
Oh, but how could the wishes be granted?
It all happened so natural, as if it was a coincidence of so disposed.
Why haven't you tried it, sir?
I have.
You've had your 3 wishes?
Yes.
Were they granted?
Oh, they were.
Has anyone else wished?
Yes, the first owner had his 3 wishes. Yes, which is all right. The first was for Justin Bieber. His second wish was for High School Musical 3, now on DVD and Blu-ray. And the third was for death. That's how I got this piece of shit.
Well, seems to me you've just got to wish for things that can't have any bad luck about them.
Yeah!
Hey, boys, if you've already had your 3 wishes, it's of no use to you now. Why do you keep it?
Fancy, I suppose. Did have some idea of selling it, but I don't need the money. And I don't think I will. Actually, I could use some money. You have any money?
Sorry, old trouble.
It's caused enough mischief already. It's caused enough mischief already.
If you could have another 3 wishes, would you?
I don't know! My precious! I'd be damned if I would!
What are you doing?
Throw it in the fire!
No.
Let it burn!
No.
Let all metal things burn! Oh, yeah!
If you don't want it, give it to me!
No, I won't! I cleared my hand of it! If you keep it, don't blame me whatever happens!
I'm going to keep it. What do you say, Herbert?
I say keep it if you want to. Crackhead's bullshit anyway.
Crackhead's bullshit. I wonder. I wish.
Stop! Mind what you're doing!
No, that's crazy.
Anything to do with it, John.
That's what I said, ma'am. But if I didn't warn him, he'd go off wishing for some stupid bullshit. You hold it in your right hand and make a wish. But I warn you. I warn you.
Well, that sounds like the Arabian Nights, Father. Don't you think you might wish me?
Ooh, yes, right you are,
Made your
Mother.
bigger butt. I'd go for the ass first.
Right you are. I wish.
Stop! If you must wish for something sensible! Go for the ass first, man. Stop! Don't do it! Look here! I can't stand this! And I can't stand the audience either! Where's my coat?
I'm headed to Queensland. I'll find this for you. Won't you wait for me?
No! I don't want to be here when you wish. And wish you will as soon as my back's turned and my butt's facing you. And you're getting turned on by my butt.
All right, now, boys. Don't you fret about us. Now, here.
This is Monopoly money, man. This isn't even up to buy Baltic Avenue. Throw it in the fire!
All right, get out.
Well, there's no more in this than there is in these other crackhead stories. We shan't worry much about it.
Did you give him anything for it, Father?
Yeah, the last of my Monopoly money.
Why the fuck would you do that? Now we can't buy Broadway. Are you serious?
I wonder.
What?
I wonder where the fuck it went.
It's right there.
Oh, thank you, Mother.
Yes.
I wonder whether we had better just chuck it on the fire.
Oh, right. Chuck it on the fire indeed after you've already given your Monopoly money for.
I think you should wish to be an emperor, Father. That way you can't be bitched at by a whore of a mother.
You fucking little
Shut up!
Clumsy house law.
I really don't know what to wish for, and that's a fact. I seem to have everything I want. Right here.
Old, crusty, decrepit, wrinkly, pruny father of mine. If only you cleared the debt on this house, you'd be quite happy, wouldn't you? Well, go ahead. Just wish for another 200 pounds. That'll just do it.
Shall I, Fag?
Go on, here. I'll play slow music.
Don't have anything to do with it, John.
I think I will.
Now, Dad.
God, he sucks. I wish for 200 pounds. Oh, shit.
Jesus Christ, what's the matter?
Move! moved as I wished. It twisted just a little bit in my hand like a snake.
Nonsense, Father. Why, it's as stiff as a bone.
Must have been your fancy, Father.
Well, I don't see the money, and I bet the only money we ever shall see will be in Mother's breast.
Well, thank God for that, but it did give me quite a fright.
11:30. I've wasted enough time here with you, old dad. I've got to get going.
Oh, well, I'm off to bed, Herbert. Don't be late for breakfast.
Good night, you beautiful hooker. Good night, old dad. You'll find the money tied up in the middle of the whore's bed.
It moved, Herbert. I'm not kidding.
And Sergeant Major Morris lying in bed right next to the
I
whore.
wish you wouldn't joke. I caught them doing that before, you know.
All right, Dad. Ooh, Lord, it's fucking cold out here.
What a morning Herbert's got for walking home.
What o'clock is it? Oh, it's 9:15, I declare. He was off at 8.
I think those damn neighbor twins stole my fucking window again. Yeah, it's gone. Well, he's probably just by the cemetery now. It takes him half an hour to change and wash it.
Oh, well. Maybe that's a boy or something. Never know. Where the fuck is that monkey's paw? Disgusting piece of shit, that's what it is. And
Oh my God! Came by you through the window!
Oh my God!
I don't know. I don't know. It's a nasty piece of shit, that's what it is. The idea of us listening to such nonsense.
Hey, Sergeant Major Morris is his bullshit. He did come flying through the window.
Oh, how could wishes be granted nowadays?
Oh, been thinking about it all night, have you?
Well, you kept me up with your tossing and tumbling.
Well, you kept me up too. Though, you know, I don't think it was the storm that kept me up.
Blue. Oh, John, it blew.
Well, you know, I didn't hear it. Asleep and not asleep.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
Well, and all that nonsense about it's making you unhappy if your wish was granted. How could another 200 pounds hurt you, huh, John?
Your breast look better today.
How
Well,
could it
it
hurt
might
you?
drop on my head in a lump, I suppose. I don't see any other way. And I try to bear that. Though Morris did say it happened all so natural, he might mistake it for a coincidence.
Well, it hasn't happened, and it isn't going to. And how you can sit there and talk about it, I just don't understand.
Oh, the postman, of course. He always rings twice. What did you think he'd bring? Some coals?
John, suppose!
Suppose what?
Oh, suppose it was 200 pounds!
He's here? Don't talk nonsense. Why don't you be a good little house bitch and go fetch it for me? Atta girl.
Sick, John.
Well, it's not a bad size, I suppose. Oh, the letter! Yes!
It's got something different inside it, too.
What was it for?
You
Well, then why are you touching it? Bring it over here.
just told me, John, to touch it, you asshole.
This woman you could come.
I...
Don't you touch it!
Oh, John, let's settle all this out, yes, huh? Here, John. cemetery.
Tear what?
Oh my God, it's been lotteries.
Yeah, right.
Lottery tickets.
Oh, okay, all right. Sir! Oh my God. Enclosed, please find receipt for the interest
Oh, Jesus.
on the mortgage of your house, £200, duly received. Isn't that our secretary?
I think it might be. I don't know. Well, that comes of listening to tipsy old... How Herbert will laugh when I tell
Oh,
him.
you're not going to tell him. This is mine.
Well, I will tell him. Serve you right. See how he joked you last night when you said the paw moved?
It did move.
You thought it.
I say it did. There was no thinking about it. You saw how it upset me so. You're not to mention it again. I will...
Oh, John! Oh, it's unlocked. And please, be seated.
Thank you. No, I think not. I think not.
Fine weather for the time of year.
Yes, yes. My name is Samson. I've come...
Oh, perhaps you wish to see Herbert. He'll be home in just a minute.
No, no. I've come from the electrical works.
Oh, well, you might have come with him.
No, no. I've come alone.
Oh, is anything the matter?
I was asked to call.
Herbert? Is he hurt? Is he hurt?
There now, Mother, there now. Don't interrupt men when they're talking. You've not brought bad news, sir, quite, I'm sure.
I'm sorry.
Is he hurt?
Badly.
Very badly.
Oh!
Is he in pain?
He's not in pain.
Oh, thank God. Thank you, sweet Jesus, for that.
Maybe he's got more.
It's actually a funny story, really. He was telling his mate a story, something that happened here last night. He was laughing and wasn't noticing it. This is the best part. The machinery caught him.
That's not funny. Oh, I see. I'm sorry. Excuse me, sir. Hard. There you are.
The company wished me to convey their sincere sympathies with you in your great loss, and to make sure you don't sue.
Our great loss.
I was to say further, I'm only their servant. I'm only obeying orders.
Our great loss.
The company disclaims all responsibility and destroyed all incriminating evidence. You can't prove anything. We have lawyers. In consideration of your self-services, they were to present you with a certain sum as compensation.
Our great loss, huh? I will sue the fuck out of you, buddy. How much?
£200.
Well, that's not so bad. £200. Lose a game, son. Win.
No, they were supposed to give us more.
Why you said something? Jenny? Jenny?
What?
Jenny!
What?
Where are you?
At the window. Well, what's left of our window.
What are you doing?
Looking up the road.
Oh, what's the use, Jenny? What's the use?
Where the cemetery is. It's where we've laid him.
A week ago today. What o'clock is it?
How the fuck should I know? You're closer to the clock. I can't read it from here.
We don't have much time. We don't make much use of our time well these days, do we, Jenny?
Why should we? He's never coming home again.
Aye, gone forever. Ooh.
I'm taking the rest of our retirement with him.
Aye, all our wishes.
Aye, and all our wishes. John!
What? For God's sake, Jenny, what is it?
The paw! The monkey's paw! You haven't done away with it!
I haven't seen it since scene 2. Why?
Find it!
Okay. Right. Oh, here it is. What do you want of it?
Oh, why didn't I think of it? Why didn't you think of it?
Think of what?
The other 2 wishes, John.
What?
We only had one.
Wasn't that enough?
No, it wasn't. We need one more.
No, Jenny. You don't know what you're saying.
Take it and wish!
Jenny, I was only able to recognize Herbert by his clothing. If you wasn't able to see him then, how could you bear to see him now?
I don't fucking care. Bring him back!
Plus, he was gay. Come on.
Take it!
No, I
take it and wish!
I didn't touch it.
God damn it, take it! Take it and wish! 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 Wish!
I wish for... What am I wishing for? I wish my son alive again! I kind of like the way she
Nothing. Along the whole length of the road. Not a single living thing.
Oh, that sucks.
Nothing. Nothing left in our lives, John.
I'm still here, you bloody twat.
Well, we can't begin again. We can't feel anything again. Except emptiness. Darkness.
Where's the candle? And the matches. You must exist in dark. It isn't cold.
It's not dark. The lights are on.
I don't know where the matches are, but I think... Yep.
Right there on the mantelpiece next to your God.
I got it. Look. Magic. There now, Mother. Don't take on so. Don't take on so, Mother.
I'm not a mother anymore.
You weren't much of a mother to begin with. There now. Go on up to bed. I'm coming right behind you. Come on. There now.
Doesn't matter where I am, whether I'm here or in my bed. I'm with our boy. I'm with Herbert. What was that?
Cockroach, I think. New York City swamp. Hey, stop. What are you doing?
It's my boy. It's Herbert. Oh, I forgot it was a mile away. What the fuck are you holding me for? I must open the door.
Don't open the door.
Let me go.
God's sake, it's a zombie!
Let me go.
Don't open the door!
God damn it to you. Let me go.
No, for God's sake, Jenny, no!
Do you think I would fear the child I bore? Let me go.
Don't do it! Where's the paw? Okay, where's the paw?
John, the key.
Thank you, everybody.